In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides transition automatically. Whether you're preparing for an office presentation or a classroom project, automating your slides can help create a smooth, hands-free experience. Let's dive in and explore how this can be done step by step. Firstly, you want to start by opening your Google Slides presentation. This is the presentation file that you want to set to run automatically. You can do this by navigating to the Slides section of Google Drive and selecting your presentation. Once you have your presentation open, you're ready to start setting those transitions. Now look towards the top of your screen and find the menu bar. From there, click on Slide and then select Change Transition from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will open up a new panel on the right-hand side of your screen. In this right-hand panel, you'll see a section labeled Slide Transition. This is where you can select the style of transition you'd like to apply between your slides. Google Slides offers various transition styles such as fade or slide from right. Take a moment to browse through these options and select the style that best suits your presentation's theme or flow. Once you've chosen your preferred transition style, you'll want to apply it to all slides. This ensures a consistent look and feel as your presentation progresses, and you can do this by simply clicking Apply to All Slides. With your transition set, let's move on to timing. Instead of manually clicking through each slide during your presentation, you can set them to advance automatically. Go to Slideshow mode by clicking on it in your toolbar. A set of options will appear, and here you want to look for 3 dots, usually located in the bottom left corner. Click these dots to open a menu where you can set the timing for each slide. This is where you decide how long each slide will stay on screen before automatically moving to the next one. Common timing options might be every 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or any duration that fits your presentation's pace. Set accordingly based on the amount of content you have and the speed at which you want your audience to follow. Finally, with your timing set, you have an option to simply click Play. This will start your slideshow automatically, cycling through each slide at the interval you've set, with the transitions you've chosen giving it a polished and professional touch. And there you have it, a seamless, automated presentation through Google Slides. This easy method saves time and helps you maintain focus on delivering your message rather than clicking through slides. Happy presenting!